Welcome to Art Smart with me, Teacher Precious! Yay! Okay, so excited na ba kayo? Kasi ako excited na! Okay, so kamusta naman kayo? So today we will learn about monochromatic colors. Monochromatic colors are the colors of a single hue. Tama! Ayan, single hue. Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng hue? H-U-E? Okay, hue has the same meaning as color. So, pag sinabing monochromatic colors, how many colors? We're just gonna use one. Isang kulay lang. Pero, with different tonal values. Now, you will choose just one color. You can use crayon, colored pencil, and you can use markers too. So, now, we'll draw a person. So, you need two papers. Do you have a picture? And for the first one, for the first paper, I will show you the different ways how to draw a face. Okay, sa second picture, sa second paper, you will choose what to use. Nakamukha nung drawing nyo. You will choose what line, what size of eyes, what shape of the face you will use to copy the person that you are drawing. Okay? Okay, so get a pencil and let's start. Okay, so this is my study paper. This is my final paper. Okay, so dito, sige, let's start with the shape of the face. This is our practice paper. This is our final paper. I won't name it na. For practice. So there are many types of shapes for your face. Tingnan nyo nga yung picture ng drawing nyo. Can you look at the picture of the face that you're drawing? Yung shape ba niya like this? Or is it more like thin face, like this? Or do they have a round chin, like this? What does it look like? Anong itsura nung face? Okay? Or maybe if you want to make somebody look younger, make it more round, mas pabilog. Hindi pa haba, like this one. Like that. Okay? Or, gumili ko na lang ito kasi dilim. Okay, and then you can also make a square face. And also the anime face. Anime face. Anime face yung parang ganyan. Okay, now choose. Which one do you want to use? Ano yung kamukha nung gawa nyo? Ay, anong kamukha nung artwork nyo? And then you will transfer it here. Maybe for me, okay, I'll draw this one. So make sure your drawing is big, ha? So how to know if your drawing is big? Your fist should fit inside the paper like this. Dapat kasha, ha? Yan. Yan, kasha. If you use the square face, i-check nyo na lang, okay? Yan. Gamitan ko na nitong marker, ha? Then, let's try to draw the eyes. Look at the eyes of the person you're copying. What do the eyes look like? So, yung eyes, is it big? Ito yung normal eyes, ha? Curve line. Diba? Ito, normal eyes. Check nyo. Are the eyes big or small? Circle. Okay, circle. Okay. Check nyo, ha. Usually, pag kid or pag bata, if you want to make them look younger, make the eyes bigger. As they grow older, it becomes smaller. Hanggang sa pag medyo lolo na, talaga medyo sumisingkit na yung mata. Lumiliit. Okay? You can also make the eyes shaped like this. Medyo rounded. Yan. And then you have your black marker, diba? Or black colored pencil or black crayon. You will shade the eyes like this. Pwede ring singkit. Yan. Or super happy lang kasi yung face. Yan. Pwedeng ganyan. 2 lines and then look. Line here. Okay, you choose, ha. Pili kayo alin yung gagamitin nyo. Pwede ring dot lang. Yan. Also, make the eyelids, upper lid thicker. Diba yan? Ano pa bang eyes? May eyes din na pa ganito, pababa. Mukhang mabait. How do they look like? Mukhang mabait ba yung dinodrawing yung person's face? Yan. Sometimes pababa yung eyes, like this. Circle, circle. And I always put a highlight. Actually, you can also color the eyes with the color that you want. Pero pwede rin naman simple lang. Ganyan. Okay. And then the eyebrows. What kind of eyebrows do they have? Look at the eyebrows. Look at the eyebrows. Manipis ba? Is it like mine? Like this? Or is it thick? Pwede nyo i-drawing, tinan nyo. Like that. Pwede ring, look. Minsan, merong makapal. Usually, sa ibang boys, makapal. And then look, I'm drawing it this way. Tingnan nyo lalo na if, hindi naman lagi, but usually pag boy, mas makapal. Minsan naman sa girl, yung dulo manipis, like this. And then look at the direction of the eyebrow. Pababa ba? Pataas? Or is it like this? Ayan pala, sorry. Ayan. Okay, now, once you've chosen the eyes, you can draw them here. Kunwari, my sister's eyes. Sister ko. Actually, she has, yung eyelids niya medyo makapal. So, gagawin ko, ganyan. Makapal kasi yung eyelids niya, mapungay yung mata niya. So, I'll do it this way. Then, eyelashes. It's up to you if you want to add eyelashes or not. Yan. To make them look happy, instead na pababa yung eyes, gagawin kong ganyan. Parang ano lang. Okay, and then, eyebrows. Siya medyo makapal eyebrow niya. Next part, diba, nose. Pwede kayo mag-drawing ng nose. For the nose, so it doesn't give so much facial expression, but it's one of the important parts of the face. For kids, you can just draw a letter J. J lang. Drawing lang yung letter J. Or pwedeng J, pero meron dot dito, tsaka dot dun. Okay, or parang J din, pero merong ganyan. Okay. Also, to be safe, you can make the nose a bit smaller. Kasi sometimes, the more details you put on the nose or the bigger, it becomes more difficult to adjust. Mas madali kapag mas maliit kasi. So, for beginners, you can start with lesser details. And as you grow older, or as you practice, you can add more details. Make it look like this. Pwede rin, dot lang, and ganyan. Actually, there are many ways to draw nose. Pwedeng round nose. Diba? There are many types of nose. Yan. Ano pa ba? Yan. Pili na lang kayo. Alin kaya yung bagay dun sa character na dinodrawing nyo. Yan. Ayan. One here and then one here. Yan. Okay. L. And then, for the lips, for the mouth. Check nyo yung mouth. Let me know, do they have a smiling mouth or just a normal mouth like this? Or are they laughing? Diba? Yan, diba? Mouth. Pwedeng ganyan. Tapos lalagyan nyo lagi ng dot sa gilid para mas may depth. Yung normal mouth. Also, happy mouth with teeth. Ito yung sinasabi kong simple lang. Simple teeth, simple mouth. Okay. Pwede nyo lagyan ng lipstick later. Okay. Pwede naman, when I detail a mouth, instead of drawing yung crisscross, this is how I draw the teeth. I just draw like that, and then ganyan lang siya. Hindi ko dinodrawing yung buong teeth. I don't draw the lines for the whole teeth. I just draw the in between. Yan. Makes it more look simple. Yan. Okay? Or you can make a very big mouth for those who are really, really happy. Okay? And double teeth. Teeth din to. Usually, we shade it here. And we will color it in a while. Okay? Sister. Usually, nakasmile siya sa pagilid eh. Ayan. And also, don't be pressured if your work doesn't look exactly like the one you're copying, okay? And then you add ears. Yan. You can add earrings. Okay. Tapos, for the hair. Okay, so usually I draw imaginary hairline here. Then you will add the hair here. So what are the types of hairstyles that you can try? So maraming hairstyle. Do you have a short hairstyle? Kunwari, drawing lang ako ng, hindi, drawing ko na itong faces. Drawingin natin itong ng hair, ha? For the, wala nga. Yan natin to. Para yung hair nyo hindi flat. And usually, there are two sets of lines for the hair. One below the hairline and one above the hairline. So, kunwari, sa boy, tapos, kunwari short hair na parang maikling buhok. Yan. So, zigzag sa ilalim nitong hairline, itong line na ginawa natin. Tapos, isa pa sa taas. Dalawang set palagi. A common mistake of especially children, they just draw one line for the hair. You actually have to draw two. Dapat dalawa yung dinodrawin nyo. Isa sa baba, isa sa taas. Kunwari dito, pwede mas mahaba yung hair niya. Isa sa baba, zigzag, isa sa taas. Okay, now if you want to make them longer, pahabain lang. So may mga ibang tao na walang bangs, ganyan lang siya. I-draw nyo lang yung hairline. Tapos isa taas na kayo magdodrawing. Kunwari, patayo yung hair niya. Yan, pwede ganyan. So, if you want it longer, pwede rin, yan, kunwari pa side, like my hair. Ganito, hair. Side. Tapos, mahaba. Just make them longer. Yan. So, sometimes, ganyan sa gitna. Pwede rin naka-pigtails or naka-braid. Pwede rin curly hair. Okay. Drawing ko na yung hair. Yung sister ko, medyo curly yung hair niya. Tapos, yan. Okay, ngayon, we will color it. Okay, using only violet, let's say monochrome, di ba? So, ito, one color lang pwedeng gamitin. But you can use two shades din, kagaya nito. And black. Yung black is yung pang shadow natin. Okay, so how to color? First, instead of using peach for the skin, we will only use one color. So, ito yung gagamitin ko for the skin. Using colored pencil. Wait lang nga. Ito ko pala ito. You can also use crayons, basta may black. Pwede rin ako mag-print. Pwede nyo i-combine. Lahat ng nasa color scheme na yon, pwede. Okay? I'll use colored pencil. Here, dito colored pencil ginamit ko. Dito rin. At dito highlighter tsaka colored pencil. Okay, now let's color. And then look, you have to do shading ha. Look, I'm doing shading gradient. So ito yung darker. Remember monochromatic color? Same, one color, but you will use the light and dark tones. Gagamit kayo ng light and dark tones. So this is the medium tone. Pupunahin ko muna ng color except sa highlights. Actually, may mga iba pa akong portrait dyan na one color lang. Actually, you can choose their favorite color. Pwedeng per person. If you're making a portrait, like si Kyle, sabi niya, ano daw yung buong family niya, you can choose one color per person. But you'll just use one color for all, including the clothes. Yan. Iibahin nyo lang yung values. Kunwari, ito, I'm almost done with the skin. I will create shadow. So, paano mag-create ng shadow? There are two ways to create shadow. You can press harder. Example, I'm using the same pencil, right? Gagawin ko siyang darker. How? Ibihinan nyo lang. So, press harder. Yan, dito sa ilalim ng kilay. Sa ilalim ng nose. Yan. Natin lagay yung ibang color. Tapos, dito din, sa ilalim ng leeg, yung black, you will use it to create darker shadows. Saan nyo kayo maggagawa ng shadows? Under the face, ito, sa may neck. Diba? Tapos dito din, itong ICE1 ko lang. Tapos lips. Yan, for color, if medyo magkalapit yung color, you can still use, example, violet na to. I can use a bit of pink. Maybe. Kasi magkalapit naman sila. And then if you want to recreate stronger shadows, you can use black. Dito sa ilalim, sa loob ng ears, sa side ng face, sa ilalim ng neck. Okay. Yan ba? Dito din. Tapos sa hair. So, paano ba mag-color ng hair? Wait lang. Minsan na-smudge ko yung colored pencil eh. Tapos sa ilalim din ng hair, may shadow. Now, for the hairstyle, yan. So, yan. Ito ko mag-shade. Gagamitin ko na lang nito para mas mabilis. I'm using a highlighter now or a marker. You can also use a marker if you want. Tapos, I will leave a highlight. Highlight is itong shiny part. So, her hair is curly, kaya umiiwas ako. So, just to make it monochromatic, okay, you will only use one hue, one color lang. If you chose violet, violet lang gagamitin nyo. Ano, di ba may pa-highlight pa ako? Highlight yung shine highlight by lighter shade. Mamaya lalagyan pa natin ng shadow yan. And also, when you color, try best to color all areas. I'm just doing it faster so that you can... There. Okay? Tapos, pwede nyo lagyan ng lights. Ito. Tingnan nyo usually you can add darker shadows din sa likod ng leeg. Okay. Last na to. Sa likod ng leeg yan. Shadow. Tapos dito sa pagitan ng hair. Pag curly, dito nyo lalagyan sa gitna para magkaroon ng curly effect or illusion. Yan. Oops. Here. Here. Diba? So, yan. So, kamusta naman yung mga work ninyo? Okay, don't forget to clean up. Huwag kalimutan magligpit. At maghugas ng kamay. Okay? Thank you, everyone. Bye!
Know your art, be art smart.